Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Evan. Today's video, I'm breaking down the one and only trade that I took today that made me 27% on QQQ puts. So real quick, we're gonna hop into my screen. Obviously, you guys can see, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly the trade that I took, exactly what made me think about taking this trade, why I had the conviction to get into it, and all that good stuff. So as you can see on my screen, we have QQQ pulled up. I want to zoom out. I am on the 1 minute time frame. I'm gonna zoom out, right? And as you can see, we have two yellow dashed lines. We have one at 391.82 and one at 390.11. Both of these dashed lines were, as you can see, the pre-market high and the pre-market low. I simply marked these out because I wasn't like fully sure of direction here today. Obviously, I still had some levels from yesterday, which were these 393 and 392 levels. I wasn't planning on using those levels necessarily, just technically using the levels that that QQQ had made in the pre-market for today. So that was the goal, and obviously you can see we're trending sideways, so there's no real sense of direction yet. Now I'm going to zoom in real quick, and you can see as we came down, we ended up testing this 390.11 level, right? We tested it once, tested it twice, and then as soon as the market opened, we ended up breaking through that level. Now, obviously, you guys know, if you've seen any of my videos, you've watched any of these, you know that I do not take trades right off of open like that, right? There's not enough conviction for me. It's too early in the day. Price can turn around, and obviously, as you can see, if I would have taken that trade right here, I would have gotten in probably late, closer to the middle of this wick, right? And then price would have reversed on me. I probably would have gotten stopped out because that's a decent little pop up there. Now, I did not take that, obviously, because it's too early in the day for me. So what I was looking for, right, was after this push down, I saw that we got found support there, and we ended up pushing back up. We started to reject at this 45-day EMA, which is this yellow line right here, right? We started to reject there, reject once, reject twice, and we started to curl over. Beautiful, right? Beautiful price action, how it's curling over and everything, right? I watched this kill candle down. I'm looking for a break below the previous lows, and as soon as that happens, right, I'm already looking at momentum charts. I see the momentum's heading down, and I see this break below previous lows. I'm in it. I'm sold on this one, right? So I enter one contract here. We end up pushing down, and then as soon as this next candle starts to form, I say as long as this candle goes red and does not turn green, then I'm going to add another position, right? Because I think that we can get a decent move down. The market has been pushing so hard recently. One thing I was paying attention to as well was if we zoom out here to the daily chart, right? We can see on this daily chart that we're up in a territory up in here that's like, it's very risky to be continuously taking calls, right? We're in an area where the market's very overbought, right? And we need some sort of pullback. So zooming back down to the 1 minute time frame, that's exactly what my thought process was, right? The market has been very bullish. I'm looking for some sort of a break, and if we can get a break, we should get a somewhat decent move down. So as soon as we break that previous low, I enter right here. If you guys know, the red arrows are my entries, the purple arrows are my exits. And we break below that. I enter one contract here. I enter this other contract here because this candle ended up turning red or white in my case. And then we get a beautiful push down. We get a beautiful push down, right? I hold it not necessarily to a specific point. I guess my target was 388.50. And I'll show you guys where I got that level as well. If we zoom out to the 5 minute time frame, you can see where's 388.50. 388.50 right here. So we had multiple touches and kind of price action in this area. So I decided, hey, this is where I want to take profits. And that's where I ended up taking profits, was right around that 388.5 area. So it came down into this area. We locked in profits a little bit below it actually, which was beautiful. And then we had a little pop up, continuous move down. Now I missed out on a little bit of profits, but overall, this was an absolutely beautiful play. It was early in the day, right? I was done trading by 9:42 once I got out of this position. 27% by 9:42 a.m. I'm literally done making this video for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys can learn from this video. This is just a perfect example of pre-market highs and lows. right? And not taking a position too early in the day. I waited for price to come back up, right? Get rejected here and show further movement down before entering the trade. And it was just a beautiful setup. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. Like this video for more videos like this one. I'll see you guys in the next video.